Welcome to a short little video on how to make a QR code. It can be valuable. You can put it in your flyer, and it's easy to do. So I'm in Word right now, and I'll just show you how I would do it. You need to first go to Insert. So hit Insert up here, and then you see add-ins here in the middle, and I have Wikipedia and the store and my apps. So you would just go to the store. And then you're going to look for apps for Office once it loads here. And I would search for Office QR code and then see what pops up. And you've got a couple of choices. I use QR for Office, but it doesn't matter which app you use. So let's just add that in. And you see it's coming up on the right-hand side of the screen now. And it takes a minute to pop up. Now, once you get it from the store, you can find it in My Apps. I had already uploaded it just to show it to you. There's that app, and it's ready for you. You won't have to go to the store every time. After you originally load it, you can just hit that button, and it will load the side part here. So just a couple of things. Enter the URL text you'd like to encode. So you can see you have some choices here. And you can put in a URL, like to your website if you wanted to. You could put a mail to, you could put an email in there. Telephone, text message, and the rest. I like custom though, because especially on the flyers, it's going to allow me to put in more than one thing. So on custom here, I'm going to put in the blank next to it. I'll put in my name. And then I want to put in my website. I'm going to put in my phone number. And I don't want to put my email in, although I could. I'm going to choose not to. And as you see down here, it's got the preview. And the nice thing about the preview is it's going to label all that for you. So let's insert it. You just click Insert. And see, I only get the QR code, but it's really easy. That was fast. What I like to do is, because I want to know what my QR code is, I'm going to do a screenshot of this preview window so that I've got it here. And I'm just going to copy it into, or excuse me, I'm just going to paste it into this document. And you see it comes up twice. Now, it doesn't matter which QR code you use. So I'm just going to delete that first one because I want to keep track of what this QR code has in it. I may want to change it. Maybe I only want to put an email in here. You can decide whatever you want here. And then save this so that next time you're making a flyer, you don't have to go through this all again. You can just copy and paste it into your next flyer or wherever you want to use your QR code. Guys, it's that easy. It's just simple. In a matter of just 30 seconds, you can get it all done and in. And again, if you guys have any questions on making the QR code, just list it down in our group. Now, I did do this for Microsoft. If you have an Apple, I'm assuming it works pretty much the same way, but your store would go to Apple, I believe. But I don't have an Apple, so I can't really test that theory. Okay, that's it for this video.